Welcome to Creating Your DI Dream Team, a guide on how you can go from scratch to squad and create your very own California Destination Imagination team. The first step is to find your region. This will help you get connected to local resources and teams. If you're not sure where this is, don't worry, we've got you covered. CalDI is divided into 4 regions, and each region has their own tournament and local events that you can get connected to. If you need to, feel free to pause the video and check out where you're located. You can learn more about your region's events and tournaments at the CalDI website at caldi.org. Just click on the Tournaments drop-down menu and then your region, and it'll lead you to an events calendar with everything going on this month and this year. And in fact, most regions also have team formation nights where you can go and find other DI team members and create a team, an easy way to get involved. Destination Imagination always encourages creativity, and here's where that can come in. You can DIY your own team. Teams are made up of 2 to 7 students, and they can be found almost anywhere, whether just through your friends or family, or through your school, or through after-school programs or clubs, or any other groups in your community where you can find like-minded creative people who are up for a challenge. Step 3 is a critical one, finding a team manager. You may have a team, but remember, you can't have a team without a team manager. So who can be a team manager? Well, anyone 18 or older. This could be teachers, parents, other family members like aunts or uncles, or community group leaders. Get creative. And remember, as long as they're 18 or older and have a background check through DI, they can be a team manager. Now that you've found your squad, you want to figure out your age group. This is important because it determines what level you'll be competing at when you go to tournament. And remember, your oldest team member determines your competition level. So if you have a team with a mix of 5th graders and 6th graders, you'll be competing at the middle level. Another important point to remember is that if you have little ones between pre-K and 2nd grade, they can choose to do non-competitive Rising Stars or the competitive elementary level, since there's a little bit of overlap between the age groups. Now that your Dream DI team knows which level they're planning to compete at, it's time to get your team number, which allows you to register for tournament. Getting your team number gives you an all-in-one registration, which includes both national registration as well as your regional tournament fee, and also covers that team number, as well as training for your team manager and an instant challenge training. You're almost ready to go, but what am I going to do at tournament, you ask? Well, that's a great question. Now it's time to choose your team challenge. Every year, the options are different, but here's a look at what we've got in store for you this year. The challenge themes are specific to the 2025 tournament, but the general ideas of the challenges stay the same year to year. Every year, Rising Stars will have their own challenge, and every team at every level will complete an instant challenge. Then, teams from elementary to secondary level will have the choice to choose between a technical, engineering, scientific, fine arts, improvisational, or service learning challenge. The creativity is up to you. So now, it's time to put the create in creativity. We can't wait to see everything you've made at tournament. Ready, set, create.